Hi everyone, welcome. I'm excited to introduce Make World Institute of Petroleum, MWIP Bhopal. MWIP is the best training institute for quality control and non-destructive testing. Let me show you how to reach our center on Google Maps, starting from Bhopal railway station. From the railway station, take the route toward BHEL, then Sonagiri, and continue to Sangam Hotel. From Sangam Hotel, move ahead toward Piplani petrol pump. Our center is just above Sangam Hotel. Now from Bhopal Airport, follow the Ayodhya bypass road straight towards Sonagiri. Our location is HIG 4 B sector Sonagiri, above Sangam Hotel near Piplani petrol pump. Why choose us? Our ASNT affiliated courses are recognized worldwide. We offer 100% placement assistance, free hostel facilities, skilled trainers, and fully equipped workshops. MWIP also provides customized training and 24/7 support for every student. Thank you for your time and trust. Let's create something great together at MWIP Bhopal.